character, bet. What did he say? He said, oh god. Yeah. Dude, why? Oh my god. There you go, boy. Good. My keyboard is what? Keyboard is glitched. Okay. Oh no, that's a block break. Oh my god, that character does so much damage. Can't let him get his awakening. That's a fat no. If he gets his awakening, it's over. His awakening basically the most broken one in the whole game. Says moves is so useless in base. Bro, all you're really going for is all this guy really needs to go for is awakening. Right now I'm just trying to match. How? No, you're not even supposed to be able to attack me. Where you at? Dang. It's not supposed to. Shouldn't be able to go awakening. I keep missing the Kai blast. So nice. You're done. Almost got my awakening. Let's go. This is gonna fall. Come on. Got him. Dang, that stack still hit me. That. Oh my god! He just, bro, I was mid. Bro, life. I can't use my moves. Oh, I can't use my. I couldn't use my moves for a second. Did I hit him? Yeah, I did. Bet. Come here, bro. Oh, what? Oh, you saw that lag? What the heck was that? Got him. I'm done. What? Man survived. That's crazy. I don't know why people do that. That character, people just run. And that character is supposed to be pretty good. Okay. Goku. Saga Goku is so easy to use, bruh. Got him. Is he dead? No! Oh, I thought you were about to use his awakening. I was about to say. Obi-Wan bet. Okay, that was first match of the video. I'll see you guys in the second match. Okay. Oh, we're versus another guy using the same characters. Come on, throw the sword. Throw the sword at me. There you go. Oh, block break. Got him. Oh, yo, that was dope. Oh my god, that was cool. Oh. I got him. Dang, I got 3 bars already. Saga Goku's so good. He's so easy to play. It's sad. Saga Goku's so easy to play, bro. I got him. I got him again. Oh, I missed. Damn. Why are you guys so trash? Why do people play so bad? It's so weird. Is this base form that bad? I don't think it's bad. I think people just play battle. I don't know. That's why I still hit him at the end. I think when he activates the sword, he does more damage. See, look, he's about to do a heck of damage. Nope. Sorry, kid. He always does that. Okay, hold up. Attack. Yes, let's go. The back. Okay. Come on, bro. He's about to use a sword. Oh, he killed me. Oh, almost got my awakening though. Okay. Flash step. Oh, I missed. Oh, shoot. Got him. This is last health bar. Okay. Got him. Okay. Oh, I missed. I didn't click the 3 button. Oh! Oh no! Oh, I'm playing so bad. My blue. Oh, I got him. Oh my gosh, I was playing so bad. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next match. Hey guys, next match. Of the video. We're versing the same. Dang. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's a new character. I'm being dumb. But like a lot of people are playing this guy. Walk break. Okay. Did he teleport? I don't know. Got him. Oh my gosh. We're done. First bar. Bro. Buu Saga Goku gets his freaking his awakening bar so fast, bro. That makes him so good. He's so brain dead. He's so easy to play. I like the sound of the what he's gonna do. Ah, damn, let's go. Oh my gosh, bro. Brain dead characters. Okay. He's almost dead. This is his last bar. Yeah, this is the last health bar. Dang. I'm just. The match is already over. He lost. He really just lost that. Bro, I'm telling you, this character can't get his awakening. Not good. This character is not good if he doesn't get his awakening. You're done. See ya. Here use the. You're done. See ya. Okay. Next and final match of the video. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the final match of the video. We're seeing a time skip Sanji. These guys are pretty easy to predict. How? Oh, he has hyper armor. Drop. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Got him. I think I did. Got him there. Oh my gosh. The beam. Oh, I thought I got out of that. Got him. He's playing aggressive, so I'm gonna play aggressive too. Maybe that's a bad idea. Dodge. Got him. We're gonna start off with that. Oh! He caught me off guard. I didn't think he was gonna use that move. Got him. Oh, I didn't get him. Okay. Let's see what he does. We're gonna come back in. Got him again. That beam. Where you oh, come on. Oh, I can never get out of this. Got him. Let's go. Who's gonna pop up? They always start off with that. That's good. Jump over that. Oh. Got him. Let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm playing him so good. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Saga Goku is so brain dead. So good. It's too late, bro. Cheating. Run. There's no running. Got him.
To fools like you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I missed. No. I get my awakening before any character does. It's so crazy. Pop in front of me. Oh, that hit him? I hit him barely. Oh, he already got the suit. Dang it, no. Die. Okay. Oh my gosh. Get off of me. Get off of me. You're not good. Oh, no. I took basically all his health in Awakening. Doesn't matter. He's dead. Either way. Oh, let's go. Oh my god. Saga Goku is so good. He's so easy to play. Oh my gosh. He's so easy to play. It's crazy. Okay, guys. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.